the last 3 months, because of COVID-19, schools have been shut. I hope that these materials that we present today will be beneficial to students in their final year of secondary or high school.
Hello viewers, welcome to another learning section on this platform. Today we'll be talking on the topic called heat energy 1. Now at the end of this lesson, we expect that students should be able to define heat, give uses of heat, and give the effects of heat on what matter. Now let's talk about heat and how it's been produced. We said heat is produced by the sun, which is also called solar heat, and heat can also be produced by friction. That is when we rub our palms rather together vigorously for several minutes. We realize that heat is being produced. And let's talk about the uses of heat. Now heat has a whole lot of functions in our everyday life as humans, and one of them are for cooking our food, for drying our clothes, for warming our houses, and in the industrial level, heat is being used to separate metals from their ores, and in the automobile industry, we could say that heat is being used in what burning of fuels in engines of vehicles and planes, and the combustion of coals in train, which provides the mobility for those trains. In other words, heat is being used in it's a great factor or a great phenomenon in in the movement of vehicular cars and trains and airplanes. So that's one of the uses of heat. Now let's define heat. Heat is a form of energy which flows due to temperature difference. It's a form of energy which flows due to temperature difference. I would say temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of a body. Now let's look at the effect of heat on matter. To say it has been observed and recorded that when heat is applied to a body, various changes takes place, and these changes include following: chemical changes, change in the physical property, change in the temperature of the body, change of state of the body, expansion of the body, change in the pressure, and what thermionic emission, like the emission of heat occurs. Now when heat is applied to a body, these changes occurs, and these are the effects of heat on what matter. I would say matter can be in form of solid, liquid, or gas. Think now here is a little assignment for you to just work on to help you gain better understanding and to serve as a reinforcement technique into this lesson. Now, say it gives 5 effects of heat on matter. We just mention them and try as much as you to attend this question. Thank you for your time and see you in the next class.